Okay. This one. It should be okay as of now. It's it's kind of difficult to explain what I'm about to do as of now. So I will do whatever I would like to do as of now. I'm not touching this one. Vertical sync, all that. Oh, shadow detail. Now it should be quite lovely, I guess. I really hope nothing gets broken or uh, it is really hard to explain so much stuff. It really is really hard for me. Enable, disable. That's kinda it, I guess. Yeah. So we're about to start the new game. Oh my god. So where was I again? When it all started or ended? I have no clue. Hold on. Let me search. Let me search. Yeah, it was somewhere right here. I do remember that. Just in case something bad happens, I will do the special recording. And maybe I can do some. Actually, never mind. Uh, hello? Yeah. Yeah, it's all done. It's all good. Let's see. Maybe I can do something like this. I'm sorry, young lady, but I'll have to get rid of you today because I'm gonna record the video. Nah, that's the wrong one. It will be right here. Yeah, just like I planned. I actually hope nothing too bad happens while I'm recording all this, because I've been encountering this issue for quite a while now and I don't really want this to happen ever again, so you get my point, right? Maybe I should. Oh yes, I guess I get it. I guess I get it now. I am disabling this one. I'm just doing it. Oh, wait a second. It is here. Ah! I was looking in the wrong place. That's really stupid of me, if being honest. Right here. I will cut it up. We'll just have to wait for a little while. Humans, resistance. Wait, which one am I playing? Hold on. Yeah, it's Raybox. Oh, I forgot. I forgot to change the textures. Oh my god. Oh my god. I forgot. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on a sec. Hold on. I forgot to change the textures. Oh, that's so silly of me. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry I didn't do that before. I should have thought about it. Manage, browse local files. Where is it? GRaF mode, add-ons, and you get the hell out of here. Not copy. No. You are moving away. Yes. Wait, I need to check something out before we start.